Morning. We are in Saigon today. No, just this is very quick. Gusto nyo ng tip para magkapera? Anyway, all right. So I received an email today from agoda.com and it says, "Hi Manuel, you can request your cashback reward now." Pera nga ito. Okay, the amount is $17.09. Actually, I got another one the other day for around $20. These are the rewards I get when I traveled recently. So if you are using Agoda, continue using it. It's because they are very generous in cashbacks. Okay, just check your emails and maybe a month after your travel, you will receive these cashbacks. I'm gonna show you how it works. So I received it from my email, but they said I'm going to claim it through the Agoda app. So I have to go to Agoda app. So let's go to Agoda app. Here we go. And there I can see 453,279 dong cashback rewards. So we're gonna click that one. Oh, in this window you can see the amount that I'm getting. Okay, earned to date is $35. Buti na lang gumagamit ako ng Agoda. Available to request is $17.09. So cashback reward, request cashback reward, let's do it. But before we do that, Lucy, there are also upcoming cashbacks, $28.03. Not bad. Okay, so let's request reward there, and you will see a window. Okay, all right. So since I am in Vietnam, I am taking Vietnamese dong. Where? Vietnamese dong. There you go. And credit card, debit card. So I'll go with my debit card. I don't use credit card anyway because my debit is useful enough. I don't want to be tempted using credit cards. I want to use my cash. May history ako sa credit card. Ayoko na. Alright, so here we go. $17.09. Okay, so name on the card. Oh no, I have to input. Parang hindi naman yung ginawa ko dati. But anyway, let's go. I put my name. Alright. And then card number. Syempre, saan ba yung card number ko? I'm gonna get it from my wallet. Saan ba yung card ko? Card. Wala. Nandito po. Okay. Here we go. So that's 5203. Okay, actually I'm using a debit card, VP Bank in Vietnam. And expiry date. Enter natin ang expiry date. So how can I do this? Wala. Expiry date is ano to? Okay. Ayun pala automatic. Okay, and VP Bank. VP Bank. Okay, let's try. Save this email. Kailangan pala yung email ko. Date of birth. Oh, medyo. Pero I think for the second time, it's not difficult anymore because I am clicking to save this card. Grabe, matanda na ako. There you go. Done. Or usually country, syempre Vietnam. There you go. And okay, request natin. Congratulations, you successfully requested $17.09 cashback rewards. You will receive this amount within 7 business days. Back to cashbacks. O diba, tinanggap yung card. So before, it's difficult for me to process with my bank account in Vietnam, but recently okay naman siya. There you go, cashbacks. Wala na siyang nakalagay sa rewards. So anytime within today, I will receive the amount in my... Okay, let's see notifications if I have. I don't want to do that. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, but last time I got another reward And that was around 511,000 dong. That's around $20 too. Okay, so what I'm saying is, you travel, para ka lang nagsisave. Okay, so check mo lang yung email mo kasi because ano ba yung English ko? Kapag hindi mo na claim, hindi mo na redeem, wala. They are not responsible of giving it to you kung hindi mo na redeem sa allowable time. So, enjoy using your Agoda and enjoy the rewards. Diba? Meron akong extra. Holidays ngayon, so meron akong extra pang travel. Pang kape, right? Okay, so that's tips para makakuha kayo ng rewards while you are enjoying your life traveling. See you in the next video.